And we are back, and we are live now with the 7 multiplication fact family. Same strategy, just a different group of numbers. So again, I'm going to show how skip counting is very effective for mastering multiplication and mastering all of your fact families. So I'm going to skip count by 7s from 7 to 70, and then I am going to solve all of the multiplication problems within the 7 fact family. All right, here we go. We ready? Ready, and here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Now, all the multiplication problems within the 7 fact family are here. And here we go. Starting with 1 times 7. Here we go. Ready? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. If you can skip count by 7s from 7 to 70, you can solve all of the multiplication problems within the 7 fact family. Now again, the best fact families to start with are 10, 5, and 2. Then from there, go on to the 3 and 4 fact family. Then from there, it's the 6 and 7 fact family. So this is toward the end. This is at learning to skip count by 7 is something you do after you learn to skip count by a lot of other numbers. And again, when you're starting out, you can just do 1 fact family to start with. Just start with the 10 fact family. Then once you master the 10, then go on to the 5. Then go on to the 2, one at a time. Now again, it follows the same pattern. The answer, 1 times 7 equals 7, then 2 times 7 is 7 more. The answer to the multiplication problem is always 7 more than what the answer was to the previous problem. 14 is 7 more than 7. 21 is 7 more than 14. 28 is 7 more than 21. 35 is 7 more than 28. So you're just going up by 7. It's just adding 7 every time. All right. Very good question. Awesome question. Yes. 7 times 2 is the exact same as 2 times 7. It doesn't matter what order you write the numbers in, whether you write 7 times 2 or 2 times 7, the answer will still be 14. Very good question. Hit that like button. Now I'm going to end it with some basketball. I'm going to throw in some new dunks here, move the table out of the way. Under the leg dunk. All right, I'll try that out. Tell your friends about this channel. Tell them to come watch with you. This channel doesn't grow. This does not become the greatest thing in the history of television without you. All right, here we go. Under the leg dunk. I blew the dunk. I am getting old, but I ain't dead yet. There we go. I'm going to jump from my knees and dunk it. Jump from my knees and stand and dunk. Watch this. I'm getting tired out. In the chat, type some math concepts that you have difficulty with. I mean, my next couple videos are going to be finishing up the fact families, but after that, I need video ideas. But probably Wednesday or Thursday, 9 fact family. Then I'm going to do 1 or 2 videos where it's mixed multiplication problems, and I'm going to show you some strategies. If you don't know how to skip count yet, some other strategies you can use. Power, exponents. Okay, I'll do a video on that. All right, that's perfect. 7 times 6 was one of the problems that we did today. There are ways to solve 7 times 6 if you can't. There are ways to solve 7 times 6 if you can't do it in your head. One step at a time. 7 times 6 times 6. I'll teach you how to do that too. All right, one step at a time. We'll get there for sure. A math Olympiad. I like the sound of that. Where is this math Olympiad being held? Well, you don't have to tell me where it's being held, but tuitions? I'm not sure what you mean by that. You mean tutoring? That's something I'd be willing to do. I don't know if I can do it for the first month of school, but maybe October, November, I could do something like that. When I tutor someone, usually I meet at a public library. And I need to meet the parents to do that. I need to know that the parents are on board with it. Yes, I have 2 different emails that you can reach me at. I'll put them in the chat. That's the first one. Here's the next one. Be sure to tell your friends about this channel. Have them join in. Oh, you're welcome. My pleasure. Have them watch it with you. I need all the viewers that I can get, for sure. All right. Before I get off the live stream, do you have any other questions? All right. Have a good rest of the day, and I will probably see you tomorrow. Around 3 o'clock, 3:30 is when I live stream usually. All right. Have a great rest of the day.